5-1 gets into writing checks and endorsing checks. As you can see at the top here in 5-1 Work Together, a blank endorsement is very simply your signature. In Part B, they want you to prepare a special endorsement to transfer the check to Kelsey Sather. That is where we would write pay to the order of Kelsey Sather, and you would sign your name underneath that. Part C is when you write a restrictive endorsement, and this is what most businesses have on a stamp, and this is what would say for deposit only to the account of, and they tell us in the book it's Balsam Lake Accounting, and you sign underneath that. Okay, the next part, which is what often confuses people, is not so much over here on the right hand side writing the check. It's the stub, which I'll explain here in a minute. But it says record the balance brought forward on check stub 78, which is 1805.75. So 1805.75 goes right here in the balance brought forward, which is the stub. Businesses have to have check stubs because they have to keep track of things. The next instruction says record a deposit of $489 on October 30th of the current year. So 10/30, 489 is the deposit. The subtotal, we add those two together because we made a deposit. When you make a deposit, that's going to be added in. That number is also carried down below, and now we have to stop. Next thing it tells us, on October 30th, we wrote out check 78 to Corner Garage for repairs 162. October 30th, Corner Garage 162. You write it out. It's for repairs, and you give your signature. Now we go back over to the stub, $162. October 30th, Corner Garage, repairs. Down here, the amount of the check, $162. Again, we paid someone, so we're going to subtract that, and we get $21.32. That balance gets carried forward on the check below it. There's nothing to deposit on that check, so the subtotal is $21.32.75. And that goes down below as well. We write out this check, number 79, to St. Croix Supply, for supplies, $92. October 30th, St. Croix Supply, $92. 92 and no 100s. Supplies, student signature, which is yours. The amount of this check is $92. October 30th, St. Croix supplies, $92. We subtract, and you get $2,040.75.